In Shanghai, the charm of many streets comes from their unique layers of history. They don't need signs or words, quietly tucked away in corners of the city. They carry on their own stories at their own pace. Xinhua Road is one of them. Stretching 2,271 meters from Huaihai West Road in the east to Zhongshan West Road in the west, Xinhua Road was originally built in 1925 and known as Avenue Amherst. It served as a key link between the high-end international garden villa neighborhoods in the western suburbs and downtown Shanghai. Over the years, it was renamed Chahar Road in 1943, then Fahua Road in 1947, before finally becoming Xinhua Road in 1965. Walking along this road, it's hard not to be drawn in by the unique and varied styles of the garden villas that line the way. Most of these charming homes were part of an high-end international community called Columbia Circle, developed in the 1930s and 1940s by a company known as the Asia Realty Company. To attract wealthy and upper-class buyers of the time, the villas here were designed in the popular British and Spanish styles of the era. Building upon these two main influences, a variety of derivative styles were developed, offering a wide range of choices to suit different tastes. In addition to the standardized structure of each villa, Asia Realty Company also offered custom design options, allowing clients to personalize their homes and make them truly one of a kind. To ensure these custom visions could be flawlessly brought to life, the company brought in renowned architect Laszlo Hudek for the design. That's why the garden villas we see today, each with its own unique charm, represent the finest essence of what was once the Columbia Circle in Shanghai's western suburbs. As times changed, public residential units were built around the villas to accommodate the growing urban population. And most of the original villa owners have long since changed. Today, some of these houses serve as offices for state-owned enterprises or public institutions, while others have become rental housing, hotels, restaurants, or other commercial spaces. Just walking here, wind in the trees, sunlight flickering through the leaves, people lazily walking their dogs. You can't help but feel life slow down.
Hey, did you hear that? There's a band playing in that courtyard. Come on, let's check it out.
Walk down the narrow alleyway and you'll discover a beautiful Italian-style villa nestled beneath the shade. The name Cottons is etched on the door. Step through the entrance and it feels like you've wandered into a southern European garden on a lazy afternoon. Sunlight filters through the leaves above, while the air is filled with the scent of delicious food and music. People lounge leisurely in the courtyard, lost in their own rhythm.
Hello, step up one.
Yes.
Right this way, I'll show you your seat.
This two-story villa with a courtyard still carries traces of its original layout. Step inside, and you can almost make out what used to be the living room, dining room, kitchen, and even a real fireplace. The current restaurant has preserved much of that structure while adding modern touches and artworks that blend warmth and elegance, a space where the vitality of the past still lingers.
You can totally imagine living here in the 30s. It's like stepping back in time in these Xinhua Road colonial houses. And now, let's find out what's upstairs.
Walking up the stairs to the second floor, the original bedroom space has been thoughtfully transformed into a bar and dining area, while the maid's room has been converted into a private dining room. The overall color palette and style differ from the first floor. A subtle green hue creates a serene ambiance, perfect for a quiet and romantic dinner. Outside, the open-air courtyard is thoughtfully adorned with greenery, creating a peaceful oasis, the perfect spot to enjoy afternoon tea with friends on a sunny day, letting time gently slip by. The restaurant specializes in Mediterranean-style cuisine, with a variety of classic brunch options available every afternoon. On a spring midday like this, a light salmon poke bowl is the perfect choice. Pair it with the house's signature mocktail, and you've got yourself a truly chill afternoon. Every weekend, the restaurant hosts live music performances, featuring top jazz artists from around the world. Beautiful melodies flow from a variety of instruments, drifting through the courtyard and creating an atmosphere so infectious, it's hard not to sway or dance along with the rhythm.
And Mark on guitar and vocals.
That was amazing.
You don't always have to travel far to find the romance of life. Sometimes a quiet street, a ray of sunlight, or a simple song is enough to pull you out of the rush. Xinhua Road moves at its own gentle pace, and this restaurant is a beautiful pause within that slow rhythm.
In a city like this, modern yet still filled with echoes of the past, what's your favorite memory of Shanghai? Is it a cozy cafe tucked inside an old villa on the corner, or a small street you walked 100 times, always finding a new story along the way? And follow us in the next episode. We're going to explore another charming corner of this captivating city.